So hey guys, I'm back for another reaction video. Just checking this. Okay, so I'm back for another reaction video, and this time I'm gonna do Block B Busters. Yes, cause yeah, I've been liking Block B during the period that I was gone, and one of my favorite subunits in Block B, which I think is only subunit, is Busters. Cause my babe P.O. is inside. But okay. So they recently came back. Super long time waited for them. And they had another song. The name. It's kinda long though. I mean it's just STML. And there's this like other song called Make It Rain, which is I think another song part of the album, but they have two MVs. Yeah, so this is the second MV. So I didn't do a reaction for the first one, so I'm gonna do the reaction for the second MV. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's start. Okay, P.O. She's so hot, like. This would it. Oh. Okay. This is what I was looking for. Yes. He looks so high and drunk about the effects of it making me like okay. Oh. Okay, this is someone made this video when they were high. Whoa. Oh, you calling? So good looking. Singing and singing. Work that noteban. Perfect static stuff. Whoa. Whoa. What the what? It's crazy, man. Okay, what is going on here? Coughing and like pincers. That's still looking crazy. Oh wow. Oh, okay, so okay, just now something was wrong with my video because my face was a bit cut off. So I'll just redo my comments on the video. My comments on it is basically like whoever did that MV though, or whoever the director is, he be drunk. I think he drunk, or he on drugs, or cause that video was high because things that should not be an MV was an MV, but I don't know, it's just so crazy and fun, I guess. But I mean, what do I expect? It's a Block B MV, so it must be crazy, must be full of crazy and just things that you don't expect to be known. Yeah, because it's block B for you, because they're very unique and they don't really follow other trends. They're just themselves. They're unique, and I think that is what's good, because like, I mean, for some groups, like, it's just good to know that every single group has a unique style or like unique way of filming MV or unique way of how they sound. Like, so for example, like in this MV, so you know Block B is unique because they film it in a way that they're crazy, it shows that they're very creative with their ideas, and everything's just so loud and wild. But then, like, for example, maybe like you can tell like this is EXO or maybe this is VIX, you know, by the way they film the MVs or by the way the colors in the MVs itself, how they use filters maybe, or maybe they use different kind of sets. So I think for Block B, Bastars, I love the colors, like they put on like a filter thingy going on, like this pinkish and stuff, yeah, colors going on. And like, not too sure who composed the song, but I don't know, maybe I have a feeling it's Zico, but please don't kill me if I'm wrong. Please don't, because I may be wrong, because I didn't really research much behind this, you know, the composing process and whatnot. I just follow them and just watch the videos, listen to them, support them. That's what I do. And other than that, the song kind of got me, like, just a little bit. It's like, oh, it's clinging on to me, but not fully like getting me into this, you know, like, yeah, I need to listen to this every single day, you know. Just got a little bit on me, like, you know, I need to listen a bit more and just, you know, enjoy the music more. I don't know, I'm doing this. Yeah. So maybe I'll see you all in the next video, which I really have to be updated. I have to be so hardworking. I must be hardworking. I must. But we'll see, and that's all I have to say. So bye guys.